to plant succulents. Now it's time to plant our succulents.
Hey, good job. Okay, let me see your succulents. Show me your succulents.
Succulents.
Show me your succulents. Wow. Okay, let me see the other one.
Succulents is so small.
It is so small. Okay.
Supposed to be.
What do we do?
Water the plant to make a soft dirt.
Okay, we water it. All right, let's see. Here you go. Water the dirt so it can make it soft. All right, I think that's enough water.
A bit.
Okay, what are we gonna do?
We're going to put the potting soil.
Okay, pour some potting soil. All right, thank you.
Wait, that's not enough.
Okay, here, put a little bit of.
More. Oh no, there's no more.
So what do we do?
We have to go back inside to make more water.
To get.
To get more water.
All right, let's go back inside to get more water.
Abby, can you blow the shovel? Going to get wet.
Yes, I can. Oh. Okay, that's enough.
Oopsie.
That's enough.
So,
Okay, that is more than sufficient water. All right, now we are going to dig a little hole so we can put the flowers in there.
right, Abby?
Okay, what else are we gonna do, Jose?
Now I want to start digging.
Okay. Which one do you want to plant first?
The big one. The big one.
The big one. Okay, let's plant the big one.
But,
Oh, there you go. Okay, put it right there. And now what do we do?
we dig a hole.
What do you mean we dig a hole? It is already in a hole. Let's fix it. Okay, now put the dirt all around it.
I got my handle.
More you have to cover.
Oh, back up. Now the wet.
Now what?
Now we can walk to it.
Okay, now which one are we doing now?
That is small one.
Okay, let's dig for the small one. You don't have a hole for the small one, do you?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm digging. Oopsie. Okay, watch it.
Awesome.
Bounce up. That's how you plant succulents.
Good job.
That's our adventure for today. Thanks for watching it. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.